Rondo coming at you from Pneumatic Van with something a little different than a Delica here. We've got the Toyota Townace that we call Gilbert. This thing's got a 2C engine, gets up to 26 miles to the gallon. Not nearly as fast as it looks with 5 gears on the column, but we are really excited to finally get this thing on the road after such an incredible restoration. This thing did not look like this when we all started out with it. We've done paint, graphics by Windy City, custom fender well flaps here to save the edge of Gilbert's little side. And this thing has been a bit of a challenge. Campers always are, because there's always more componentry than you think you're gonna have to run into and fix. But we're very proud of how this thing has gone down. Let's get a quick walk around just to show you what she's got. Custom Delica mirror on this puppy. Last one broke, Delica one fits. Super custom fab, non-aerodynamic fender well flap. Door hinge. One inside. Premium super custom table by Manji. Super premium 12-volt fridge. The best color yellow you could pick for a sink that actually works. Bilge pump, here we go. You thought a boat only had a bilge, but no. Gilbert has a bilge pump. Lights, refrigerator, extras. So right now, this is in pop top down mode, but plenty of headroom to kick it with, like, I don't know, 6 people. But the pop top goes up. You can sleep 2 up there, 3 down here, depending on, you know, your bubble. But this thing is meant to really house a family on the road, going slow, of course. It's for the scenic route. And Gilbert's best feature, its top hat. You take this stick right here and you shove it into the that section there. Whew, look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh, 2 stories on wheels, baby. Might look small, but the interior capacity, exactly how much you need for a family of 6. We wouldn't have been able to do this without the help of Windy City Arts, Joel's Customs, James Conrad, of course, Mr. G Court, and everybody else that had their hands in this thing. This has been an incredible project to do over the last 7 months. And you know, the best part about it is that's the racing graphic that Chris Cord used to have. That's Gardner's grandfather on his car back in the 80s, baby. Really stoked that this thing's finally going out the door. Too bad we can't keep it ourselves.